This is Mr. Mark, and in this video I'm going to show you why you should not buy Microsoft Office from Microsoft. So here I am on office.com, and first we'll look at this deal, $99.99 for a year for Office 365 Home, and it can be installed on up to 6 users on a PC or a Mac. And I'm going to just zoom this in so you can see that a little better. And it includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Publisher, and Access, and for services, OneDrive and Skype. Now, I'm going to show you the same thing, or basically the same thing on Amazon. Okay, Microsoft Office 365 Home for 12 months, okay, for up to 6 people, PC and Mac download, but for only $79.99. All right, $79.99. And it includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive. And if you're on a PC, okay, make sure you read the fine print here. If you're on a PC, it also includes Publisher and Access. I just purchased this version. All right, and it includes Publisher and Access. So although Publisher and Access is not listed here, it is here, okay, for PC only. Now, if you're doing it for a Mac, it's not going to include the Publisher and Access. All right, so, but even so, even if you're getting it for a Mac, ask yourself, do I even need Publisher and Access? If you're not going to use Publisher and Access, then you don't need to think about which of these include Publisher and Access, right? So this is $99.99, okay, and this is $79.99, and they are the same thing. Office 365 Home for 1 year, up to 6 people. Now let's look at this other deal, right? $69.99, this is on office.com, $69.99 for 1 user. All right, with the same applications, all right, for 1 user. Now, if you go on this Amazon product, you'll see for 1 user, you get the same thing for $49.99. All right, I mean, these are pretty big price differences, right? And these are instant downloads too, by the way. All right, and again, you can see what applications come with it. And this one also has Publisher and Access as an add-on for PC only. So again, if you're getting it for a Mac, you're not going to get Publisher and Access as an add-on, but if you're buying it for a PC, you will also get Publisher and Access. So when you look at it, there's really not going to be much of a reason why you need to pay this much to Microsoft when you can get the same thing from Amazon for less. Okay, so it's a good idea to get these from Amazon. Now, when you go on Amazon, there are a lot of different Microsoft Office products. I decided to go with this one because it had everything that I need. So I have a link in the description of this video. If you click one of those links, I'll have one link to this version, which is up to 6 people, and I'll have a link to this version, which is for 1 person. And even if you don't want one of these, you might see another version on there that you want. But I would recommend these. I mean, it really depends on what you need, but I personally use Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and some Access. All right, so and of course anyone can use OneDrive, but the main point of my video is that you don't need to pay these prices to office.com. Okay, you can get the same thing on Amazon for less money. All right, so you don't need to do that. And you can download it. You can do the auto renew subscription if you want. All right, but I did instant download and it worked right away. So yeah, definitely get Microsoft Office from Amazon through one of the links in the description of this video. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, feel free to hit like. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. I do tutorials and reviews on computer applications. This is Mr. Mark. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.